What's up, guys? It's CNY and it's C Mark. Today we're gonna be playing some Slither, and yeah, I apologize from last video not having sound. I was using a Bluetooth device, so yeah, let's play some Slither. I'm okay at this game, yeah, but we deeply apologize from the video we made not too long ago. But yeah, let's just see how good we can get a Slither. Also apologize, I made some of my turtle beaches. Like I said, my channel is Mark the Scrub. I will still be uploading on that. For right now, we're just going to be uploading on this, like, just to get this out the way. Oh, let's kill this dude. Oh, we got right. Alright. So, let's try that again. I remember I had a really huge snake paw, so I was number 2 on the leaderboard. Ooh, so close, so close. We were so close to taking out that guy. Alright. I told you guys, I'm okay at this game. Oh, I just got wrecked by a little freaking. Alright, guys. This is like one of my first times playing this game. You know, our signature color will be none only than, well, red. Well, actually, it can be purple. No homo on that. Or just pause. We're just gonna say pause. Alright. Okay. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh, so much. Ooh, so much mass. Oh my gosh, so much mass. It's all mine and his. Mine, boy. I could have shot that guy, but I scared him away. He could have got me. Just saying. Alright, so we're at number 79 out of 400. That's pretty, alright, pretty decent, but we can do better. Well, I'm telling you, we're gonna get wrecked. Alright, oh look, he's trying to kill me. No. Oh snap! I just got killed. That's what you call karma, guys. That's what you call karma. Alright, let's try this again. Let's try to take down this guy. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a fail, but hey, never know. Can't always say everything's a fail. Can't say that. Alright, I'm not gonna actually let that one happen. As you can see, guys, I'm really bad at this game. If you want me to play a game, just leave a request in the comments. C, I will play the game. While Y will play Clash Royale and other games. Like I said, like he might be a little scared cat. Yeah, but we might play some Five Nights at Freddy's. And yeah. I have to get out of there before I can do anything bad can happen. Alright. Let's try to take down the head. Ooh. He could have chopped us. Like, he could have sandwiched us, like, forced me to smash into him. Let's try to get this scrub. Oh! Nah. They need kill cams in this game. I gotta see that one in first person. That was a hack. That was a cheat right there. Let's use... No. Let's just use a rainbow skin. Let's just stay with that. It goes with the whole candy thing. Alright. I hope what's your name doesn't call. Alright, Karma's gonna get me. Just watch. Let's try to take down this guy. My snake. Alright, let's try to take down this. Ooh. How come I really get taken out? Like, at first I was okay at the game, but now oh, snap. Well, that was payback, but at first I was good at the game. Now I just got bad all of a sudden. Okay. Oh, that lag though. Okay. That took down both of us. Oh, sorry, like I said, so I have to get back on that. Alright. So the lag's starting to come now. Alright. And let's just try to get some mass, gain some mass besides eating. Ooh, snap, he's a trapper. I could tell. He just killed a poor, innocent little snake. Constricted him. Like this. Dang, they each want their separate. Ooh! Oh, karma. That was instant karma right there. But I'm not gonna lie, that was instant karma, guys. Alright. Oh yeah, don't be afraid to drop a like. And maybe subscribe, that would be pretty great. If you want to see more videos. But we're gonna do videos, period, no matter what anybody says. Maybe just little kids, but hey, we still like to do this. Someone tells me this would get more famous on my YouTube channel. No, he could have just crossed me at any time. Alright, let's try to follow and kill this guy. Or we getting... Alright, there's so many people. Alright, let's just stop trying to kill and actually gain mass. I see someone following me. The karma train's gonna either get me or him. So he is trying to kill me, huh? Oh, almost got killed. Alright, so he's trying to kill me, huh? And now I let him know I'm an aggressive snake. Oh, dang, he's just getting mass out of nowhere. Ooh. Ooh, good wreck, mate. Alright, guys. Next time I die. Ooh, so much mass. Well, it was. Ooh. Try to get this without dying. Oh, man, I failed horribly. Oh, man. Alright, guys. That'll be it for right now. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye. See out.